Hi, I'm Heidi with Belkin Cybersecurity. In this video, we will help you troubleshoot your universal 2nd Gen secure KVM. In the event you experience ghosting, shadowing, or fuzzy monitor images, ensure all video cables are inserted properly into the secure KVM, computer, and monitor. Then power cycle the Belkin Secure KVM to reset the video. Make sure the video diagnostic LED is solid green. Then check that the monitor you are using supports the resolution and refresh rate setting of 4K at 60 Hz on your computer. Lower the video resolution of your monitor if necessary. Make sure that the video cable length does not exceed 10 feet, 3 meters. Then check that the graphics card you're using supports the resolution and refresh rate. Connect the monitor directly into the computer you're having trouble with to see if the problem still appears. Finally, make sure you're not using video splitters, adapters, or dongles. Here's how to troubleshoot if you experience a blank monitor screen. If you are not using the USB-C or MST cable and you experience a blank monitor screen, check to see if you are using a dual head switch but only connecting one monitor. The secure KVM might register the monitor as a secondary screen opposed to a primary. We recommend switching the video output, then ensure that the power switch is in on position. Check that the display is turned on. Check cable connections and check that the display input is DisplayPort or HDMI. Then check that the monitor you are using supports the resolution and refresh rate setting on your computer. Lower the video resolution of your monitor if necessary. Ensure that the power cord is inserted securely into the AC inlet. You should then try a different video cable. If you are using DisplayPort, try HDMI and vice versa. Try a different monitor and make sure to download the latest display drivers. Ensure the console's video port's green EDID light remains on. If the EDID light is on and the video does not appear, troubleshoot the video on the host and client side. If the EDID light does not remain on, ensure proper power sequence and video cable connection. When troubleshooting issues with cables, we recommend using Belkin TAA cables to ensure quality and complete functionality. If you're using existing dongles or adapters, ensure that it is processing in the correct direction and that you are not reversing the conversion. For unsupported peripherals, the LED status light will default to red. When experiencing issues with the keyboard detection, we recommend the Belkin remote control with integrated keyboard or a standard 104 keyboard. Please note that Bluetooth keyboards do not work with secure KVMs. Also, do not use a keyboard with an integrated USB hub or other USB integrated devices. Wired one-way transmission keyboards are required in accordance with NIAP specifications. Check that the keyboard you are using is connected properly to the secure KVM and the USB-A port labeled keyboard. Then make sure that the keyboard works when directly plugged into the computer. Keep in mind that due to the required one-way transmission, the caps num and scroll indicator lights on the keyboard do not illuminate unless you are using the remote control with integrated keyboard. Also, do not extend the total length of the USB connection more than 15 feet. When experiencing issues with the mouse detection, keep in mind that Bluetooth mice do not work with secure KVMs. Also, do not use a mouse with an integrated USB hub or other USB integrated devices. Wired one-way transmission mice are required in accordance with NIAP specifications. Check that the mouse you are using is connected properly to the secure KVM in the USB port labeled mouse. Then make sure the mouse works when directly plugged into the computer. If the computer is coming out of a standby mode, allow up to 1 minute to regain mouse function. Be sure not to extend the total length of the USB connection more than 15 feet. When experiencing issues with the anti-tamper, keep in mind if anti-tamper exhibits clicking or clicking ports aside from being opened or damaged. For more help with troubleshooting, call 1-800-282-2355 to consult with one of our US-based representatives.